Well, hello YouTube, and welcome back to Style with Nina. I am back to give you an, oh Lord, why am I unzipping my, what's happening here? I am back to do another video. Yes, same Adidas jacket that I got from said Goodwill. So yeah, so I'm back to do another haul for you guys. And this haul is a little bit of a shocker for me because I don't usually shop this brand, but listen, they changing the game. I don't know. So I was doing a little bit of shopping a couple days ago, and it was probably a couple weeks by the time you see this, and I was at Dillard's and at Macys, and I was just kind of like, wow, look at the Coach. Coach is, you know, Coach is trying to do some things. So anyway, so the first thing I got from Coach, and I had just been wanting this, so the last item will be the item that I was really like, whoa, y'all really trying to change the game here. So anyway, ooh, this tell you how long ago. So I ordered this, you guys, a good 2 months ago. But if you don't know, Disney is all, you know, it's Disney's year. You know, all of the luxury brands, all of the brands are coming out with some type of Disney item, some type of Disney collab. That's just what's happening. And so I thought that this was a cute, not really a Disney fan like that, but I thought this was the cutest little Disney Mickey Mouse change purse. So it's called a mini coin purse, and I just thought that was cute. I paid $59 for it. So yeah, it's just a cute little purse. Hopefully you can see it with the lighting. It says Disney Coach right here. I don't know if it's worth $59. I just think I wanted it, but now that I'm looking at it, I don't know. We shall see. So that's the first thing. But it's so cute with the little ears. It's really cute. I don't know. Okay, so that's the first thing I got from Coach. And I purchased it, and then I put it up waiting for me to do a haul. And y'all know I've been crazy busy. So anyway, so that's the first thing. Then I was at the a local consignment store not too far from me. I will not mention their name because I had an awful experience. Well, I will mention their name. Or should I? I don't know. I'm so loyal, y'all. I don't know. I just always think if it was my business, I wouldn't want someone to do that. So I'm not going to mention the name. But local consignment store near me was having like a huge sale. So it was marked at $79, $79.99, let's say 80, and then they had like I want to say, let's just say 50% off. So this is the cutest, and it was new with tags. And originally I bought it to resell it, but then I like it. I like the color, so I don't know. To me, it looks like a cute, something cute that you can, what I like about it, okay, so let me show you. So it has that, and then it has another compartment that you can take out and do whatever you want with it. So I don't know if this is a laptop bag. I don't really know what this is. I did some research, could not find out what it's called. I don't know. So if you guys know and you know what this is, let a sister know. I don't know what this is, but it's cute. So I want to say, I think it was like 75% off, but I'm just going to say 50 because I forgot. But anyway, so that's that. That's the second Coach item. Try to make this video real short. And then I'm just gonna throw this in here because listen, I was at the local Goodwill and they had this Coach wallet. Looks like it's barely been used. I mean, it has been used, but it's in good. I haven't cleaned it or any. Well, I don't think I've cleaned it, to be honest with you. I haven't cleaned it or anything. So just a full-size wallet. Very, very nice. And it was red tag was half off, and so yeah, it's $4.94. I think I paid $2 for it. So yeah, I think that was worth it. So this looks dirty, but the rest of it is in fairly good condition, and it looks like maybe maybe the little snap needs to be replaced. So I'm gonna take it to Coach and see if they'll do that. It's worth it for, you know, a couple dollars. Okay, so let's get on to recent. So I may add this at the beginning or the end or during it, I don't know. But I was doing some shopping and was at the Macys. And I'm starting to like, this is my daughter coming in. Hello. I'm starting to like, let's just let her come in. I was trying to finish this video before she got here, but it didn't happen. So, anyway, picked up this Coach. Little wallet on chain type of situation. Of course I want Chanel's, but I'm trying to be good. Say that again. He hasn't, but Kosey's here. Okay, so anyway, let me get back to my video. So saw this, it was on a little clearance rack at the Macys, and I just thought that was cute. Now I don't like stuff with the C's on it, so I don't know why I like this. But I did. I just thought this was a cute little bag, you know, when you're traveling or I'm grocery shopping or something like that, I can just throw it in there. So yeah, we shall see. The verdict is out on this one. The verdict is out on whether I'm gonna keep this one or not, to be honest with you. I'm trying to do better with, so I know I got this. I thought this was a cute wallet. The lighting's doing some funky stuff. Okay, so I thought this was a cute wallet for traveling, but now that I'm looking at it, I just don't know if I'm in love with it. And if I'm not in love with it, like this next piece, it needs to go back. You know, we're not gonna hold on to a bunch of stuff that I'm not gonna ever use. So the verdict is out on this one. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. Okay, so this last piece, you guys, when I tell you, I was just, you know, online shopping and saw this one and was like, wait a minute, this thing is fire. So let me go ahead and show it to you. I won't be that girl who takes forever to show it to you. So this thing is so cute. I'm trying to take the stuff off. Okay, so let me show you. Isn't that cute? That is very, very cute. It's like an embossed, I'm assuming it's probably embossed leather, because I'm sure for what I paid for it, there ain't no crocodile. But I just thought this thing was real cute. This is something that I would definitely take out of town with me, that I don't have to worry about. I'm just funny when I travel, I'm getting to the point where I don't like taking my one-of-a-kind luxury pieces, which I tend to have a lot because I don't usually shop. I love vintage items, handbags, way more than I like the new stuff. So most of my handbags are one-of-a-kind. So I don't like going out of town taking my one-of-a-kind Fendi, my one-of-a-kind, you know, stuff that you can't just go and repurchase. I don't like taking those out of town because I feel like, you know, you got to deal with the traveling, you know, even though I keep my items with me. So like, I ain't gonna tell you how I do that because you may bust me something. Anyway, I'll tell you. So when I'm traveling, my carry-on tends to have all of my valuables, what is near and dear to me. So if you ever want to bust me upside the head and, you know, or whatever, whilst I'm shopping, not shopping, but whilst I'm traveling and you got to be at the airport, the carry-on is the carry-on, that's where my stuff is. I don't pack anything that I love or that's one of a kind, that's of value to me. I do not put it in the check-in bags. I don't do that. So anyway, this would go in a check-in because, you know, it just would. But I just think it is a very simple bag. It comes with a beautiful gold chain strap that I'm trying to remove, but they got this thing on here like, I don't know what's happening. But it comes with a beautiful chain strap so you can wear it, you know, you can wear it, of course, as a clutch, which is because it's a nice size. It's looking kind of small, but it's a really, really nice size. So you can wear it as a clutch. You can, you know, add the chain to it. I'm sure you can add another chain if you want to make it short. But this is a bag, like I said, that looks way more expensive than what I paid for. I think I paid I found the price. This bag was like $135, which is amazing. So if I can link anything that I showed you, if I can link it, it will be in the description box. But for $135, you don't know if this is a Coach, you don't know if that's a Chloe, you don't know if that says what's the other C? Coach, Chloe, Celine. Celine is rebranding, which I think is a terrible idea with their rebranding with just the C. So you don't really know what this is. Not that I care about that, but I'm just saying it's a nice high-end looking bag without the price. So anyway, I love this bag. Will I do some shots, some mod shots? I don't know. Depends on how I feel. I don't know. Y'all hear my voice is cracking or whatever. So yeah, I may include a mod shot or a picture. I'll probably have my kids, somebody snap a picture so I can insert it here. But this bag is so cute, you guys. It is beautiful. And for $135, it's a nice size. That's nice. That's the inside of the bag. It has the things. And you guys, this is a little tip. You should have these in all of your handbags in your closet. You should have one of these little Silagel pad, whatever it is, especially, and this is just a tip, especially if like most closets are inside of the bathroom. If you want to protect your bags and make sure they don't get too wet or, you know, climate change or anything like that, put one of these in your bags. Okay, easy tip. So anyway, very quick haul. If I remember, I'll add a mod shot here. This thing is so cute. It was so cute. I told my best, I said, you need to go get this. You know, she, you know, we both like our designer. We do. We like our high-end designers. We do. But this, you know, quality, you cannot question whether Coach has good quality items. The quality is up there with any other brand that you would want to mention, even better than some brands. I just don't, you know, they was doing something weird with their items, but it seems like they're coming back. I don't know. I don't think they have a new person. I don't know. Anyway, listen, if you could get this bag, you need to get your hands on it. They had another color, but the other color to me looked weird. I don't know, this just a classic black bag that you can just throw up under your arm. I'm looking cute, you know what I'm saying? I'm out date night with Bae. Let me relax my shoulders, I'm looking crazy, but you know what I'm saying? Date night with Bae, I want to just throw something on. At the club, you want to just throw something on. You know, you got on your Christian Louboutins with this, you know, if you want to just flash or whatever, they gonna think this is something else anyway. So yeah, I'm rambling. So I love you guys. Make sure you stay stylish, make sure you stay fabulous. That's it, I'm rambling. Love you guys. Stay stylish, stay fabulous. Mwah.